Okay, today we're going to look at the series of ultraviolet products that we do. They're called K-UV, and in the range there are two products. The K-UV 18, which is this one here, and the K-UV 16, which is this one here. We'll start with the K-UV 18. Out of the box you get standard ceiling mount or wall mount bracket. You have two floor stand or ceiling or wall mount adapters, and obviously screw adapters which fit into the end of the unit here. Because this product is sold in Europe and in UK, you get two power cords. IEC to 13 amp UK plug, IEC to European socket. So let's turn them around and have a look at the rear panel. It's standard to both products that you have a power connector, the Kam 4-button LED control system, and then DMX in and out. This particular unit, because this one is going to be used in applications where the purchaser might buy several or many units, we have power in via IEC and power out through via IEC. Just to touch on that, the reason for it. The K-UV 18 is called this name because it has 18 1-watt UV LEDs, and because of the light source gives a wash, a line of UV, it can be placed across a floor as an uplighter or down projected into an area. And what you'll find is, because of the higher market where maybe you want to light a marquee with UV, the power in and out is so that you can have long runs of UV light. So that's the K-UV 18. Let's have a quick look at the 16. It comes with obviously a ceiling mount or truss adapter which splits in half to make it a floor stand if necessary. I'll talk about the types of applications that these two units are used in a moment, just after we've gone through the rear panel here of this K-UV 16. As it says here on the back panel, the difference between the two is this is 16 times 3-watt UV LED, whereas the 18 is 18 times 1-watt LED. So DMX in and out, standard Kam LED function display system, 4 buttons, and the IEC in and earth facility. They both have a built-in microphone. This smaller, more compact unit, which has got the angle floor stand, which is great for band work, for projecting up at a poster or something that you want to highlight in UV, has 16 3-watt UV lamps, and basically this sort of thing is more of a projection gun. It's going to be used for a compact area, and it's for its brightness. Sound activated, DMX controlled, with a full-on function where you can preset the brightness of the LED. This one here is for a wider, almost 1 meter width of colour wash. It's for strip lighting, for lighting a wall in UV or a marquee. The power in and power out means that you can daisy chain, so it's the sort of thing that you find in higher applications, in architectural design in nightclubs. Sometimes you find in some clubs or bars that there is a pelmet around the ceiling which has got LED lights in it. It's great for things like Indian restaurants where they want to put UV on a pelmet above the restaurant, on the restaurant ceiling. So this sort of thing is very good for installation and for atmosphere creating. This is beat. If we press this one here and then create a beat sound, the UV strip will chase the 18 UVs to the beat of the music, meaning that it will pulse and do a light show in UV. The next one is automatic. That will then automatically just chase through various programs at a speed that you set. Pushing again, you get CF, and it's 0 to 99, and basically that's the speed in which it pulses, or speed at which it turns itself on and off. The next one is the 0 to 99 is the chases, and that's program number 98. If we press 99, it's chasing up and down the 18 LEDs on board. Moving along, we can show you one other function, which is the DMX address setting. Obviously that's for setting it up to a DMX controller that sets the value of this head would be number 1. One interesting feature which both units have, if you press and hold the menu button for 5 seconds, what will happen, you'll see Y appear and a value. Now that sets this unit and the 16 into full on, and what you've got then is the ability to be able to turn down the brightness of the UV. I talked earlier on about the kind of functions or applications this could be used in. If you imagine at Christmas time, a lot of garden centres or superstores will have some kind of nativity scene or a display, and maybe they want the snow that they've got, the artificial snow, or the fabric that they're using, the white fabric, and to shine brighter like it looks like fairy tale snow. So they would buy this type of product, and obviously you can set the value of the brightness of the UV to accommodate the environment that it's in. It's also good for applications in a nightclub where you want UV on all the time, but you want control of obviously how bright that is. So when it's set into Y setting, it will stay on full, but at the level you select.